To be a guru or a guide, or to learn from a guru or a guide. That's what we're going to chat about today. I'm Mark, this is YogaCoach. It's a channel for yoga teachers who want to step up in their teaching, that want to transition from the studio to online in the most effortless, efficient way, and want to be at the leading edge of health, well-being, and transition on the planet. It's exciting for us. If it's exciting for you, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified every time there's a new video. Guru or guide. We like this term guru. It sounds pretty cool that I want to be, sometimes I call myself the yoga education guru, or we might hear the cooking guru or the fishing guru. What that means in that kind of sense is that one of the definitions is heavy with knowledge. And we can be those sorts of things, but generally what the guru does is, it's broadly speaking, that they help you with enlightenment, they help you with transformation, they help you with happiness. But there's a lot of steps that need to happen to get to that broad happiness, to get to that broad sense of ease, or whatever it is that you want. And what a guide does is they help you step by step by step, taking actions all the way along to achieve that particular thing. Now, when we listen to the guru and they're on the mountaintop, they're looking at an elevated 360 degree, and they've got to this place and they can describe it very eloquently, and they can talk about the practices, and it's amazing. It's very inspiring, but it's very hard for us to follow that from that broad perspective. We need to bring it right back. That's what we do in YogaCoach. We help our students, we help the people that come through our program to be guides, to look at this bigger picture, to break it down into smaller steps. Like, what are the friction points of, here I am now, this is where I want to be. There's a bunch of steps that need to happen, right? And we can't quite get past them, or our clients can't get past them, so it creates a friction. So what are the actions that need to be taken to do each one of those step by step by step? So that's done, then you can go to here. Then you can go to here. Eventually, you're at this point. So to be a guide, first of all, you have to understand, what are the many problems along the way to get to happiness, to get to being financially abundant, to get to living and creating a life of your own design and having location freedom. What is it that helps you to be a leader in your market? What are the steps? And then creating the actions, small transitions. So each action has a little A to B in itself. And when you can do those mini transformations and achieve those, it builds momentum, and it gives people an understanding, that gives them a sense of confidence that they're moving forward. And it's a roadmap to be able to do it. And you're building that momentum, you're reclaiming the spirit, doing all those things along the way to get to that end point. So if you want to be a guide, if you want to understand how to help people solve the big problems in life, and really that's what it's all about, because that's where the profits are, solving the big problems. So you need to be focused on that, because if it's not big enough, people won't be interested. But in the process, then we come back and be a guide. We come back to the bottom of the mountain, we come back to where they are, and then look at all the steps that need to happen. We like the tree of threes, we call it the rule of threes, that there's 3 phases, each one has 3 steps, and then each one has 3 actions. And it's about how you create a course, a complete course that is actionable, that's step by step, to get from where they are to where they want to be. You need your enthusiasm there, but you need to reclaim your spirit. You need to be clear. You need to be clear on who you want to work with, what your message is, create that product. Then we need to be able to deliver it online. We need to be able to do conversions for people that is basically a conversation, draw traffic, constant traffic into our funnels. And then eventually we want to have the processes in place so that we can be a business owner and not in the business all of the time. So we have videos coming out every week to help you in this process. Please like, share, comment, and we'll see you on the next video. One-handed namaste, shaka, peace